Hello guys, and welcome to today's project of making clarified butter. All you need is butter and patience. I want you to admire the pureness of this gold liquid. You might be asking, why would I clarify butter? Here is the most common reason why you clarify butter. When you clarify butter, you take away all the milk solids and water and are left with the butter fat. This creates a higher smoke point, which makes the clarified butter ideal for cooking and sautéing, or in other terms pan frying. Another reason is that you can use it to make hollandaise or béarnaise sauce. Clarifying butter is a simple process, and here is how it's done. Take a medium-sized pot and place any amount of butter, but a good amount. Take the pot over to the stove and turn on the heat to medium to high. We want the mixture to melt. While it melts, the milk solids will rise to the top. Skim the top and take away as much as you can. Give it a whisk and repeat again while it bubbles slowly. After you have gotten rid of most of the milk solids, you can turn up the heat slightly, and we're going to simmer the butter for about 5 minutes. Once the butter turns transparent, it is ready. Next, in order to help us in the clarity process, I have over here some unbleached coffee filter paper. Use a heat-proof container and place your coffee filter paper holder on the top. I also have a secondary steel filter on the top, so technically it will be double filtered. Pour the butter over. Magic is happening now. This video is sped up. In real life, the magic happens a little slower, but there is still magic. About halfway, just change your filter paper to get a good filtration going. You don't want the filter paper to be blocked by the milk solids. Here is a better look at the droplet. After you are done with the filtration process, this is what I like to do. I like to bring things up to my ceiling light to see light pass through, giving you an idea of transparency and how the body of the liquid is. This is just downright sexy. This will last twice as long as butter because you remove the milk part. You can also freeze this and use it whenever you want. Well, there you have it, clarified butter. Thank you for watching. As usual, it was a pleasure having you with us on this journey today. If you enjoyed what you watched, please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to be notified of upcoming videos. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and we shall see you in the next one. Bye for now.